How to add recovery email in Gmail. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to add recovery email in Gmail account. Now open up your Gmail app. After you open your Gmail app like this now, so now you can tap on this profile at the top. After you tap on your profile, here you'll be able to see all the list of the Gmail that you have. Then scroll all the way to down and tap on this manage account on this device. So from this option, it will give you the list of the Gmail that you have all on your mobile phone. Then go ahead and select the Gmail that you want to add the recovery email to it. So I'll go ahead and select this one. After you select the email like this, you can tap on this Google account again. So from this option, now you can tap on this personal info. Under this personal info, if you scroll to down, so here you can be able to see where it says email. So tap on it. So from this option, if you scroll to down, here it says recovery email. So here is now the recovery email that is currently on my email. So if you want to add your own, so you can just tap on this recovery email option. So here it will ask you to confirm your security of your mobile phone. So I'll just confirm my own. So after that, now here is the recovery email. It will allow you now to change the email. So let's say I have if you don't have it already, you can just go ahead and add it. If you have it already, you can just delete the one and add another one. Let's say I want to add another one like this one. After you add another one, you can tap on this verify button. From there, they will ask you to confirm your Gmail account code. After that, you added a new recovery email in your Gmail account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.